Welcome. It is very important to watch this video until the end. It will be time well spent. Living in the present moment is super important. It is the key to happiness, peace, and efficiency. In our fast-paced, often chaotic lives, staying present and centered can be particularly challenging. Whether you're in a meeting, driving in traffic, dealing with difficult people, or even amidst an emergency like a car crash, maintaining mindfulness is crucial. Here are some 11 vital and practical tips to help you stay grounded and present, no matter how hectic or stressful your situation. 1. Micro-meditations during busy moments. Micro-meditations are brief moments of mindfulness that can be integrated into your day, even during the busiest times. How to practice? When you find yourself with a few seconds of downtime, such as waiting for an elevator or standing in line, take 3 deep breaths. Focus entirely on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. This brief pause helps reset your focus and brings your attention back to the present. Use these moments to center yourself, especially during transitions between tasks or activities. 2. Mindful listening in meetings and conversations. Mindful listening involves giving your full attention to the speaker without distractions or preconceptions. How to practice? In meetings or conversations, make a conscious effort to focus on the speaker's words and body language. Resist the urge to plan your response while the other person is talking. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to the speaker. Practice active listening by summarizing or reflecting back what you've heard to ensure understanding. This technique not only keeps you present, but also improves communication and reduces misunderstandings. 3. Breath awareness while driving. Focusing on your breath can help you stay calm and present, even in stressful situations like heavy traffic. How to practice? While driving, especially in stressful conditions, take a moment to bring your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a count of 3, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Synchronize your breath with your movements, such as pressing the brake or turning the wheel. Use traffic lights or stop signs as reminders to take a few mindful deep breaths. Hold for a second or 2, exhale slowly. Positive energy in, negative out. This practice helps reduce stress and keeps you focused on the task of driving safely. Body scan for instant grounding. A quick body scan helps you reconnect with your physical self and the present moment, even during challenging interactions or emergencies. Start by focusing on the sensation of your feet touching the ground. Slowly move your attention upward, noticing how each part of your body feels. Pay particular attention to areas where you might be holding tension, such as your shoulders or jaw. If you're in a stressful interaction or situation, subtly clench and then release different muscle groups to release tension. A body scan can be done in just 10 to 15 seconds and helps anchor you in the present moment, no matter the situation. A body scan, simply put, means taking a quick inventory of your body parts. Imagine a soothing light entering your feet and moving upward, relaxing every part of your body. If you are enjoying our video, please hit the subscribe, like, and notification buttons. Mindful touch points. During stressful tasks, using touch points or small physical reminders can help you stay present during complex or stressful tasks. Choose a specific action or object as your touch point, like touching your thumb to your index finger or holding a small object like a pen. When you feel overwhelmed or distracted, focus on this touch point to bring your mind back to the present. Use this technique during stressful tasks like handling a difficult work assignment or managing a challenging conversation. The tactile sensation helps redirect your focus and grounds you in the current moment. Visualization for centering. Visualization can be a powerful tool to help you stay centered and calm, even in high-pressure situations. Close your eyes briefly, if safe to do so, and imagine a place where you feel calm and at peace, such as a beach or a forest. Visualize yourself in this place, focusing on the sights, sounds, and sensations you would experience there. If you're in the middle of a chaotic situation like a car crash or an argument, take a deep breath and mentally transport yourself to your calm place. This technique helps reduce immediate stress and allows you to respond more thoughtfully and effectively. 7. 5 senses grounding technique. Engaging all 5 senses helps you stay rooted in the present, especially during times of high stress or distraction. How to practice? Pause for a moment and focus on 5 things you can see around you. Next, notice 4 things you can touch and feel their textures. Listen for 3 different sounds, whether they're nearby or far away. Identify 2 things you can smell, even if they're faint or subtle. Finally, notice 1 thing you can taste, even if it's just the lingering flavor in your mouth. This multisensory approach brings your full awareness to the present moment, grounding you in the here and now. Mantra. Repetition for focus. Repeating a simple mantra can help calm your mind and keep you focused during challenging times. Choose a calming phrase or word such as peace, calm, or I am present. Silently repeat this mantra to yourself whenever you feel anxious, distracted, or overwhelmed. Sync your mantra with your breath, saying it once as you inhale and once as you exhale. This practice can be particularly helpful during intense situations like being stuck in traffic or dealing with a difficult person. The repetition of the mantra acts as an anchor, helping to steady your mind and emotions. Single tasking for clarity. Focusing on one task at a time reduces overwhelm and improves your ability to stay present. When faced with multiple tasks, prioritize them and tackle them one at a time. Give your full attention to the task at hand, avoiding the temptation to multitask. Break larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps and complete them sequentially. Use a timer to allocate focused time periods for each task, followed by short breaks. Single tasking enhances your productivity and keeps you more engaged with each activity. Mindful reflection and reset. Taking brief moments to reflect and reset during your day helps maintain mindfulness and manage stress. At various points throughout your day, take a minute to pause and reflect on how you're feeling and what you're doing. Ask yourself simple questions like, am I present in this moment? Or, how is my body feeling right now? Remember to stay in the present moment. You must be aware of your thought activities. Don't engage in negative thoughts. Distract them, and just like clouds, let them move away. Do not energize them by your attention. Use these reflections as opportunities to reset your focus and let go of any accumulated tension. Incorporate these check-ins into your routine, such as after completing a task or before starting a new one. Regular reflection helps you stay aware of your mental and emotional state, allowing you to adjust and maintain mindfulness. By integrating these techniques into your daily routine, you can cultivate a more mindful and present approach to life, even amidst its inevitable chaos and challenges. Thank you for staying until the end. Please hit the subscribe, like, and the notification bell. We appreciate your comments. This video was written and produced by Shah Noveen, a high-quality content provider. Please visit our channel for many more great videos. See you on our next video.